Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about the product rules of derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative of y, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. Now we can apply the formula in here. Next, first derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. This one, we need to do first derivative of the square root of s over the square root of s in here. So this one simplified by this one. Next, this one we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. So the formula of this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.